Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the AVERAGEIF function in Excel. The AVERAGEIF function allows you to calculate the average of cells that meet a specified condition. This function is particularly useful when you need to find the average value based on specific criteria, such as calculating the average sales for a particular product, determining the average score of students who passed an exam, or averaging expenses in a specific category. Let's dive in. Here's what each part of the AVERAGEIF function means. Range. The range of cells that you want to apply the criteria to. This is the set of cells Excel will evaluate to see if they meet the specified condition. Criteria. The condition or criteria that determine which cells will be averaged. This can be a number, expression, cell reference, or text that defines which cells will be included in the average. Average range. Optional, the actual range of cells to average. If omitted, Excel uses the range specified in the range argument. If you want to average a different set of cells based on the criteria, specify that set here. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you have a table of sales data with columns for product, region, and sales. You want to calculate the average sales for a specific product across all regions. In column A, you have the product names, widget A, widget B, widget A, widget C. In column B, you have sales figures, 500, 750, 300, 900. To calculate the average sales for widget A, we use the AVERAGEIF function. In cell D1, enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen. Here's an explanation. Range, A1, A4 is the range that contains the product names. Criteria, widget A is the product name we want to filter by. Average range, B1, B4 is the range that contains the sales figures to average. Press enter, and Excel will return 400, which is the average sales figure for widget A. Next, suppose you want to calculate the average sales for a product listed in cell C1, which contains widget B. In cell D2, enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen. Here is an explanation. Range, A1, A4 is the range that contains the product names. Criteria, C1 refers to the cell containing the product name, widget B. Average range, B1, B4 is the range that contains the sales figures to average. Press enter, and Excel will return 750, which is the average sales figure for widget B. The AVERAGEIF function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Sales analysis. Quickly calculate the average sales for specific products, regions, or sales reps. Performance tracking. Use AVERAGEIF to find the average score or rating for a group of employees or students based on performance criteria. Budgeting and expense management. Apply AVERAGEIF to determine average expenses in a specific category, such as travel or office supplies.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.